In this video, I'm going to talk about a gift that others have for you to help you to be more effective and successful as a salesperson. You're on this channel watching this video because you believe that I have an idea, a process, a technique that can help you to improve faster. And the answer is I do. But it's not going to come from me. It's actually going to come from people that are around you. You see, there are people all around you right now that have a gift for you. And that gift, if you unwrap it and do something with it, is going to help you to accelerate your success. That gift is known as feedback. Have you ever heard the term that champions eat feedback for breakfast? What that means is that people get better by understanding how others see them and how others think that they can improve and do better. We see ourselves a certain way. There's usually a perception gap between how we see ourselves and how others see us. And that gap can be closed by receiving and acting on feedback. Chances are in your past, you've received feedback and you either ignored it because you didn't agree with it, or you acted on it and saw things get better. If you've received recent feedback and you have not acted on it, this is your prompt to do so. In the last year, I've seen a few salespeople get quality feedback, really good feedback, and not act on it and actually do worse. And that was really confusing to me and also surprising because it was good feedback. They didn't even ask for it. They received it by their managers because their managers want to help them to be successful. Because of course, if they're successful, then their manager will be successful. So their manager has a vested interest in providing that feedback, right? If you have not received feedback lately, go and get some. Ask your manager. If you don't have a manager, ask a friend, ask a colleague, ask a customer, ask a prospect who didn't buy from you. Why not? What did I do wrong that caused you to go to someone else? It might have nothing to do with you, or it could have everything to do with you. The key is to look for the gift, unwrap the gift, look at it and do something with it, act on the gift of feedback, and regularly ask for the feedback, right? Eat it for breakfast. Get comfortable receiving feedback. If you can do that, you're going to get way ahead of your competition who not only doesn't ask for feedback, they don't want it. And when they receive it, they don't want to do anything about it because they feel like, hey, I'm doing everything I can. I don't need your comments. I already know what I need to do better. I'm doing just fine. They have all these excuses in their mind as to why they don't want feedback. And what that does is give you an opportunity to get out ahead of them. So think about that. What can you do to go and get some feedback right away and start acting on it? And I believe that you will see that it truly is a gift and you will start to set yourself apart as a real champion who likes having feedback first thing in the morning. If you have feedback for me on the quality of this video or on the direction of this channel, share it in the comments or send me an email at michael@buildandbalance.com. I read all the email I receive and I'd love to get your feedback on topics that I can talk about or what I can do differently or better. If you have comments specifically on this video about feedback you've received, place it in the comments below. Please like the video if it's helped you and share it with others. And of course, subscribe to the channel. To learn more about my sales coaching and training solutions, visit my website, buildandbalance.com. Best wishes to you.